Hello students, welcome again to see another new case study model which can be a sample for both CBSE classes 9 and 10. So let's go to the question. The model question goes like this. Shreya had a field with a flower bed and grassland, one after the other with no gap in between. So it's a grassland and a flower bed. So this is the model that's been given. So the grassland is here and the flower bed is here. The grassland is in the shape of a rectangle. So it's a rectangle. This is the grassland. While the flower bed is in the shape of a square. So the flower bed is in the shape of a square. The length of the grassland is found to be, so about this they are talking, the length of the grassland is found to be 3 meters more than twice the length of the flower bed. Now, what they have told us, this is actually a square. So, all the sides are going to be equal here. Now, they are talking, when they talk about the length of the grassland, they are telling it is 3 meters more than twice the length of so whatever is the flower bed, you have to add 3 more and 2 times of whatever is the measure here. Okay, now what else they have given? They've given the total area of the whole land this is this entire land is 1260 meters squared. It is square meters because it is area. Okay, so when you look at this particular model, you can guess that this is from areas lesson. Okay, so this can be used for both class 9 and class 10. Now coming to the first subdivision, if the length of the flower bed is x meter, so what they have told is length of the flower bed. So this measure from here to here, it is actually x meter. This x they have given here. Okay, then what is the total length of the field? Total length of the field is from here to here. Now in the question, when you see they have given, you can look into this particular sentence where some data is there. The length of the grassland is found to be 3 meters more. So 3 meters more than twice the length of the flower bed. So length of the flower bed is x. So it's going to be 3 meters more. So plus twice the length of the flower bed. So since the flower bed is assumed to be as x meter length, it will be 3 plus 2x. Okay, now look at the first question in the first subdivision. If the length of the flower bed is x meter, then what is the total length of the field? Total length starts from here till here. Okay, so it's from here till here. Now come on, see what's the total length? It is 3 plus 2x is for the grassland, then x is for the flower bed. So we have to add up everything. So total length will be 3 plus 2x plus another x. So that's going to be 3 plus 3 times of x. So 3 plus 3x is going to be this one. Option B will be the correct answer. Okay, let's go to the next subdivision. Second subdivision, what will be the perimeter of the whole field? So you know what's perimeter? Perimeter is actually a sum of all the boundaries. So you'll have here, here, here and this. So 4 sides, all the 4 sides you're going to add. Now already you know what is the length of the field. What is it? 3 plus 2x. So see how will we find the perimeter. 3 plus 3x is for this one. Then what's the measure over here? It is a square field I told you. So if this is x, all this is going to be x, 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 x. So this measure is also going to be x. This measure is also going to be x. So x plus again this measure, which is 3 plus 3x plus this one. So plus another x. So you will have 3 plus 3, which will be 6. Here you have 3x plus 1x, 4x. 4x plus 3x will be 7. 7 plus 1 will be 8. So 6 plus 8x will be the full perimeter. So where is that? 6 plus 8x meter. So this will be A. Okay. Then subdivision 3. What is the value of x if the area of the total field is 1260? So area of the total field. When you look at this particular land, the field, it is actually, see, this is a rectangle, this is a square, that's fine. But when both of this is clubbed together, it's nothing but a rectangle. So we can consider this as the length, this as the breadth. So if I want to calculate the area, I'll take simply this L into this B. So what is the length of the entire field? Length of the entire field is going to be 3 plus 3x. Breadth of the field is going to be x. See whether it is correct. It is 3 plus 3x and this is going to be x. So this is L into B. Now the total field, the area will be 1260. So I know that a rectangular field's area will be L into B. So L into B is going to be 1260. Now let's multiply x inside. So you'll have 3x plus 3x squared. Let me bring this to the other side. So this will be 0. Rearranging, I'll have 3x squared plus 3x minus 1260 equal to 0. Now when you look at this 3 and 1260, all are multiples of 3. So we can reduce it to factorize it easily. So if I divide throughout with 3, I'll have x squared plus x minus 420 equal to 0. Now we have to factorize. That is, when you multiply two numbers, you have to get minus 420, and when you add, you have to get plus 1. So the two numbers will be plus 21 and minus 20. So these are the two numbers. So let me factorize it. So I'll have x plus 21 and x minus 20 are my two factors. When I equate x plus 21 equal to 0, I will get x is equal to minus 21. And when I substitute x minus 20 equal to 0, I'll have x is equal to 20. This I cannot accept because x is actually a measure here. A measure can't be negative, so it's ignored. So what's the value of x? That's going to be 20 meter, which is option C. Okay, so that's the third subdivision. Now coming into fourth subdivision. What is the area of the grassland? So you already look at this page. So what's the area of the grassland alone? This is also a rectangle. So L into B will be the area. Length is 3 plus 2x. Breadth is going to be x anyway. So this breadth is going to be x. So 3 plus 2x into x, that we are going to calculate here. So what is the area of the grassland? L into B is going to be 3 plus 2x into x. Now we have just found what is x in the previous subdivision. What was your x? It was 20, right? We will just substitute that over here. So 3 plus 2 times of 20 into 20. So that's going to be 3 plus 40 into 20. So that's going to be 43 into 20, which is nothing but 860. So 860 is over here. Then next one, last subdivision. What is the ratio of the area of flower bed to the area of grassland? So area of the flower bed to the area of grassland. So area of flower bed is actually over here, okay? So this is a square, so x into x is going to be the area. So this is going to be x into x, which is x squared. Area of the grassland is already found in the previous subdivision. What was it? 860. So x into x is x squared, and you know what is x squared? This is 20 squared divided by 860. So that's going to be 20 squared is 400 by 860. When you reduce it, it is 20 by 43. So 20 by 43 is subdivision A. Okay. So these are the 5 subdivisions which is